fluorescent green. Hello everyone, and today we'll be shooting spray cans. And we'll be shooting them with a BB gun rifle and a BB gun pistol. And we'll also be opening them up at the end to see what's inside. And so today we have a paint can, another paint can, but these two are a lot less full. This one is a lot more full. And we're going to shoot that one at the end. And we're going to see how these explosions affect nearby things. You can see I have stuff ready for opening them up. And we'll be shooting the first shot with the rifle. And it's chambered currently in a 4.5 millimeter BB made of copper. And we'll be shooting it with a 4.5 millimeter lead pellet. We cannot put a lead pellet into the pistol, but we can put BBs into it. It has one CO2 cartridge, and it's modeled after a Glock 19. Alright, as you can see, we shot the peach can. And you can see we have an entrance. We have a little bit of bulge right there. You can see there's a little dent. You can hear that. We're gonna open that up later. And it actually knocked over this, and it knocked over everything else. We'll be shooting this one with the pistol next. Was fluorescent green. Doesn't look like it made it through though. No, it might have. I don't know. But next, we'll shoot the. I don't know what color this is. This is some color. Now we're going to be shooting the final can that is pretty full with a 4.5 millimeter lead pellet. And we have this thing fully pumped, and we're going to shoot it at it. We're going to see also how far those cans will go when we shoot it, because it's a lot fuller than the other ones. And so it's probably going to launch further, and it's probably going to launch things around it. spraying can. And you can see where we hit it. That was full pumped pellet. There's a lot of metal here. I think it's I don't know what's the center, because there's a giant mark. And so I don't know exactly where we hit. But it was definitely strong. For how far it made it from here, from there. That's pretty far. I see black over there, so it put a bunch of black here, black mark, black all over this, black over that, black over that. And after that went over, it actually went over my head and flew all the way over there. Now we will take apart the spray cans. And so what we'll do is we'll take this pickaxe, we'll pop it open, and then we'll use these cutters to cut them open. Now, I already know what's inside them, but I'll show you. I have to cut it open a little bit more.
You need to pry it open a little bit with those. There you go. That ball should be ready to come out. Pry it. No. Keep it closed.
And so all it is just a little marble. For what I've done with all of them, I've opened one before, and it's just been a marble, so I know what's inside of them. I believe they're all the same. But I don't know. We'll see what is in all of them, but I think it's just a marble. smaller marble. So probably small marble for this one then. And so what the marble does, all it does is just, it shakes it around. It shakes the paint around. That one's, I think, a clear one. And so that, we're shooting paint cans with BB guns, and I think we had pretty good results. We also found out the items that mix the paint. And so I hope you enjoyed Caden's Crew. Remember, K forever.